time I step up in the spot, that's been the record bounce. We infect the sound with the venom, now expect to drown any motherfucker trying to make it to the second round. This the type of bass track prone to blow your mind. Face facts, we do this all day and all the time. They're like, yo, we really in this bitch. Well, so am I don't know why, but I'm inside with some shades that's polarized. I be shining and glowing so hard I broke the lights. Then I override your power cause my flow is motorized. So precise, got this music inducing a global high. People say I save their life, I think I need that Nobel Prize. Chill as in Chernobyl with the frequency I vibe. My flow is so anecdotal, it's keeping the beat alive. Which is weird cause I'm antisocial like most of the fucking time. It's clear when I rap these vocals and most of it fucking rhyme. That's not the way I operate. My knowledge reigns, spit is flow, watch it condensate. These bitches know that I don't need to overcompensate. Discombobulate the population when I drop the bass. Blowing the chronic haze got me contemplating. My mind is like a constant compilation of a constellation, consolidated in a solid state of observation. No room for conservation, bitch, I am annihilating anybody with a higher rating. And I'm violating like a massive biohazard. Are you training fire? Safety lighted crazy track. I'm the rap pyromaniac. Fighter for my mind is razor blind until I fade to black. Yo, these fucking Muppets wanna wonder how I flow like an undercurrent running underground. Pop up at the top like what up now? Fuck the runaround. I'ma take the loop and break it just about enough to drown. So we do it like that. Waking up tomorrow just to do it right back. Talking about a flame, want me to ignite that. Talking about a ride, want me to incite that. It's like that, build it up, gotta strike back. Don't get sidetracked, this is just a little nightcap. The beat gets hijacked, we just made a suicide pact. You need an ice pack to bring the vibe back, look.